So we've been there before. You know, we've all experienced poor communication with service providers, false promises of going to be showing up at 12 and they show up at 4, and we don't want to be included in that category. Our highest priority is communication. In fact, we call it our superpower because we really just invest a ton of energy and commitment to making sure that you, our client, is kept in the loop. At Awnings and More, we offer shade solutions. And that might include things like retractable awnings, solar screens to block shade and wind, patio covers, and even roll shutters for security and comfort on your windows. Like most families, we love to spend some time outside. We want to get out and enjoy the sunshine. And when you step onto that patio without an awning and your feet are burning and your kids can't enjoy it and you can't really just enjoy that, that space that you spend so much money on, the natural solution is to put some shade out there and get yourself an awning. I started out with the frustration of lack of experience, just really underwhelming and a bit frustrating because I was given this and that in 5 minutes of time, and I just didn't know what it was that I needed to know, and I felt underwhelmed. And so my mission was to raise the bar and change this customer experience and create a better experience from start to finish. So one of the things that we do that most companies don't do is we spend the time with you. We spend the time to educate you and bring you selection, bring you options to go through, because let's face it, there's not one perfect awning for everyone, and we want to really get to the bottom of that. And if it's not us, great, we'll be the first to recommend you to someone else if necessary, but if we can come to the right conclusion together, you'll feel much better about your decision. It doesn't just involve this first sales conversation, but it involves a great install, and of course, in most cases, that's where companies, you never hear from them again unless you have a problem. But we actually follow through and book a third appointment later in the season, and we come back and make sure that your product is installed right, make sure that you've got your questions answered, maybe do an adjustment, and at the end of the day, ask you the most important question: did you have a good experience? And if you did, great. And if you didn't, we're not going to stop until you say yes. And it's not just me, it's our entire team that's committed to this process. I hold our team at such high regard that I would trust them as if they were the owner of themselves. When you're ready to have that relaxing, cool sensation out in your backyard, just book online with us or give us a phone call and we'll schedule that time with you. Thank you very much.